Himalayan region is an extremely fragile ecosystem. And to blame this incident, the tragedy that has happened just on monsoons, would be too simplistic. So what exactly is the reason behind this? Well, there are multiple factors. It could be urbanization. It is also the apathy that we as humans show towards our nature. It is also the melting glaciers. There are multiple factors that work together in amalgamation that can lead to such disasters. Here's a report explaining it.
The Himalayan Deluge is back. Mountain of gushing water sweeping away everything in its path. With fast and ferocious pace, and this time also unforgiving. India's Himalayan region under siege of nature's fury. Flash floods are turning roads into raging rivers, homes into rubble. What you are witnessing today in Dharali, this devastation, its script was written long ago. Rest of India is not untouched. The Met Department issues heavy to very heavy rainfall warnings across vast swaths of the country. The storms are more violent, the rains more brutal. Entire hill towns on the edge. Why? Because the planet is heating up. And this is more than just monsoon mischief. Scientists now confirm the rise of glacial origin floods in the Himalayas. Experts say the regularity of such floods earlier, once every 10 years, is now as many as 3 in just 2 months. The Himalayas are melting, causing devastating floods downhill. Glacial lake outburst floods are projected to triple by the end of the century. Flash floods, already the cause of 85% of flood-related deaths, are striking faster, deadlier. And India's rapidly urbanizing landscape is making things worse. Concrete replaces forest, water finds no exit, and cities and towns are caught unawares. One recent example is Uttarakhand, where the Tehri Dam was built on the Bhagirathi River. Stands at a majestic height of 260.5 meters with a vast 4 cubic kilometer reservoir. Earlier, the river's catchment area was limited. But post the dam, it expanded sharply, intensifying cloud formation. And now, during monsoon, the saturated clouds can't hold the excess moisture and they burst. This isn't weather, it's a wake-up call. More heat means more water in the air, and when it falls, it pours. The world is on edge. The next flood? Well, it could be tonight, and the clock is ticking. Will we act or drown in silence? Bureau Report, India Today.